Open abcdindex.com, click on the Publish with Us option for authors. This redirects you to RAM portal. Log into your dashboard. After successful login, author's dashboard get open. In this, I need to click paper publication option, where by default tracker get open. Start. RAMP has its own AI tool to filter papers on the basis of plagiarism and paper quality. Papers not matching minimum quality is rejected by AI tool. After 1 or 2 days of submission, some of journal select paper for review request. So author will get those requests from the journals. Like we submit a paper, a review on machine learning having paper ID 602, got a request from international journal, and the journal name is International Journal 1. They have clearly mentioned the fees or related to the publication, and as per ABCD, the category of the journal. It's up to author whether they like to go with this review request or like to wait for other journal so that they have high chance to get publication in some other journal having good indexing or impact factor and other publication measures. Author accept review request by clicking on Accept Review Request button. Once it accept any request, then journal will start reviewing that paper under review process. Author can accept maximum 3 requests for single paper. So here author has request for General International General 3, International General 2 and International General 1. Out of these, International General 2 and 3 accept its review and start review process. Now author has to wait for few of days to get the final paper status. Author get continuous email update for his paper like this. So author can check its tracker and check the status of the paper for different journals. So finally, a review on machine learning method, this paper get acceptance from 2 journals, International Journal 2 and International Journal 3. And author can start his publication directly to the journal by referring his paper ID, and journal can also directly mail to the author about the acceptance and other formalities. I hope this video helped author to publish paper by ABCD Index RAMP portal. To know more about RAMP publication process, just drop email at support@abcdindex.com. Thanks for watching.